In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use the ChatGPT AI image generator to create cool stuff like this and also like this here. So I uploaded a picture of myself with the correct prompt and got this pretty viral action figure which is generated by AI, which, is going viral quite a lot recently. So you may have seen this and you may have wondered how people are generating it. Well, it's actually using this new ChatGPT feature essentially. So how do you actually get this and use it? So you need to open up an account on ChatGPT. You can do that for free. Go to chatgpt.com. And once you're here, you can go to ChatGPT, the model here, and you want to change it to GPT 4.040. This should be the model by default, so just make sure it's on this before you start generating any images. Now, what you can do is you can essentially generate images from text, but it can also do so much more than that. It can edit and add photos that you tell it to do. It can add text. It can generate everything. I generated a poster here, which I think is very, very cool, just from a very simple prompt. So let's generate something together and let me just show you the kind of power of this new GPT, because we can essentially replace one image with another image. We can do a lot of crazy stuff. So let me just try and think of an example and show you right now. So I was thinking of what I can use to actually demonstrate, and I'm going to actually drag on two photos. Now, one photo is a photo of a large house, and I'm going to use this to demonstrate kind of like the new features. It's a large house with an open drive, and here is a photo of an old BMW. Now I'm going to try and get ChatGPT to put this BMW on the drive and just kind of see what it comes up with. Now this is all going to be based on your prompt and how realistic the actual prompt is. So let me just go and create a prompt here and we'll see if we can get ChatGPT to do its thing, because I've been playing around with this and I've been quite surprised with the results. There's so much you can do that I couldn't cover in this video. The very basic feature is obviously just to generate images from prompts, but you can get it to do all sorts of crazy stuff. So I'm just going to ask it to do this just to demonstrate what it can and can't do. I'm going to put place this car on the driveway of my house, create a realistic image combining the two, HD realism, and then I've put add my friend mowing the lawn with an orange lawn mower. Now obviously this is a very basic prompt, but I'm going to show you how you can essentially add images and combine them. You can do all sorts of crazy stuff, so let's just see what we get. So this is the image that it generated from the prompt. Couple of things with this image. He's not mowing the lawn, he's mowing the pavement for some reason, so I don't know why that's happened, and the car's not parked on the drive, but we can tweak it and ask it to make updates. So I'm just going to ask it to move my friend so he's mowing the lawn and not the pavement, and it's then going to create another image. Again, you can create any images that you want, but as you can see, it recognized that new prompt and it built off the original image, which before it would just generate a brand new image. So you can see it is getting a lot better. So you can go and try this for yourself. Let me know what you can create and let me know in the comments if you're going to use this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.